and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. This one is for any kind of a CLAT aspirant, चाहे CLAT 2027 है या CLAT 2028, especially for those who are practicing, doing self-practice and they are not associated with any kind of coaching. You see, what happens is we keep looking for certain sources, right? And then there is so much of information that is there on the internet that we end up getting confused. Now, the kind of resources that I am going to suggest are not just my opinion. This is basically the opinion of CLAT aspirants, CLAT toppers, in fact, from the past 5 years. So these are legit, verified resources that a child should use. Let's start it off. But before that, we have to understand what is the need of resources in this particular examination. Is it necessary for a CLAT aspirant to start mugging up certain theoretical principles या conceptual clarity करने के लिए? देखो बेटा, theoretical examination तो है नहीं, objective examination है, तो MCQs है. MCQs मतलब कि और प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. तो थ्योरी बुक की अगर हम बात करें, if 2 or 3 books for the same section are basically saying the same thing, then you don't have to buy all of them, right? You have to invest in the ones that are important, that have been utilized by CLAT toppers in the past. The very first one that I'm going to talk about over here is M.K. Pandey. This is to build your logical के लिए structure. It is very, very good for assumption, conclusion, puzzles, analytical structure and all of that. This is not the standalone resource, however, for it. मैं पहली बात एक बहुत ही अच्छी clarify कर दूं कि ये जो 5 resources हैं, इसमें मैं मॉक्स और सेक्शनल्स के अल्टरनेटिव्स की बात नहीं कर रही. आई एम सेइंग बियॉन्ड मॉक्स एंड सेक्शनल्स दैट यू आर गिविंग of any coaching institute, these are certain sources if you want to do extra practice, right? So, but however, in MK Pandey, if we talk about it, you don't have to really read the CAT style excess that जो beginning में है, because CAT exam आप दे नहीं रहे, आप CLAT दे रहे हैं. बाकी बच्चों ने इसके बारे में बात की है कि it should be used selectively because the concepts are very nicely through examples and through questions, you'll be able to do your concepts very well. The second one that we are going to talk about is RC. This is for dense reading. Again, it is a kitab which is for GMAT. And so hence I'm saying this is additional resource that you can utilize for your CLAT. इसमें क्या होता है, हर दिन का एक sectional अगर आप कर लो या एक passage कर लो या 2 passages कर लो, तो आपका benefit ये हो जाएगा कि you will be able to do a lot of reading under pressure and from eclectic sources. तो बहुत सारे different तरीके के genres होते हैं जहां से आपको ये passages मिलते हैं. Obviously GMAT का पूरा pattern अलग है. But if in case you want to do extra practice for RC and you feel that you are not doing well or you don't have that kind of resources, this is a kitab that you can use. Again, this is only to build stamina and precision, and you don't have to really worry about the theoretical principles that they have mentioned in this particular book. The next one that we are going to talk about is for GK, and there is nothing better than a newspaper for GK as well as a CLAT GK compendium. Now, if you're LPT students, obviously you're going to take CLAT Express, but however, I'm not going to tell you which one to take. I will, however, say that look at legitimate, credible results and then decide which one are you going to do. But regardless of whichever coaching you're from, या फिर तुम self study कर रहे हो या फिर तुमने study करनी अभी शुरू भी नहीं की है, एक चीज पक्का शुरू करो जिसके लिए तुम्हें कोई कोचिंग की जरूरत नहीं है, वो है reading the newspaper. And ideally we use the Hindu as well as the Indian Express. Now let's move on to the next one. R.S. Agarwal for quantitative ability. Now, however, see, keeping in mind that आपके एग्जामिनेशन में केसलेट्स आते हैं, फैक्चुअल सिनेरियोज होते हैं जिसमें तुम्हें थोड़ा अबाउट क्वांट के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को यूज करके यू हैव टू डू इट, राइट? आर.एस. अग्रवाल में ये नहीं है. These are just one liners. So how do you use R.S. Agarwal and why do you use it? You basically use those one liners to increase your speed of calculation. And once you think that your speed is absolutely good, do 30 to 40 questions every single day from this particular kitab. And the minute you feel a little confident about your speed, definitely move on to DI passages. And the final resource that we are going to tell you today is the one which is for legal reasoning, which is Legal Express. Again, not because I am saying so, but because the CLAT toppers say so. The entire toolkit is so good that you will become dangerously good at doing these principle fact-based questions, right? And with that, we are done with the top 5 sources that you should have if you're a CLAT aspirant, regardless of your target year. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली सेम सेक्शन की 3-4 किताबें नहीं खरीदनी, कोई सेपरेट वोकैबुलरी की किताब नहीं खरीदनी, न्यूज़पेपर से भी आपको बहुत सारे शब्द मिल जाएंगे जिनका मतलब तुम जान लोगे. अलग से वर्ड पार मेड इजी खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर इंटरेस्ट है, आई विल नॉट स्टॉप यू, but there is no need per se, right? And don't confuse owning a lot of notes and books over कि मेरी बड़ी अच्छी preparation, मेरे पास तो 10 किताबें हैं जो मैं रोज पढ़ रही हूँ उसकी थ्योरी, उसका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्लैट में, right? And with that, I would like to end this particular video with a lovely announcement which is great for every kind of CLAT aspirant and even those kids who would maybe one day want to appear or pursue law, right? So appear for the exam or pursue law. So what we are doing is we are going to replicate the actual examination in the form of a mock all across our centers of Law Prep Tutorial, and this particular exercise is going to be absolutely free of cost. So I think grab this opportunity, go to a center of LPT near you on the 28th of June and give this CLAT mock examination, and not only will you get like an all India mock ranking, but you will also get to interact with the teachers and have your doubts sessions. Thank you very much. I will see you guys soon.